the power of manufacturing. Sampa Shock Absorber Factory. The production of Sampa shock absorbers involves 11 meticulous steps, starting with engineers at our Advanced R&D Center, CAMP, who develop tailored blueprints and test metal, plastic, and rubber properties. These plans encompass size, material selection, weight capacity, and crucial specifications for more than 600 shock absorber parts types. Raw materials are carefully chosen based on their strength, endurance, and compatibility with the vehicle's suspension system. Through MTS, we enhance Sampa's material endurance using swift and efficient endurance simulation solutions, including tests on rubber properties and fatigue life. This approach results in stronger, lighter, and more environmentally friendly materials, ensuring heightened durability and safety for all. Raw materials are cut into the desired lengths and shapes using cutting methods such as sawing, shearing, or laser cutting. This process establishes the basic outline of the shock absorber. Hydraulic presses or similar machines shape the cut pieces into the desired contours of the shock absorber. Metal bending techniques are employed to achieve the required angles and curves. Shock absorber components are then welded together using reinforced GMO mag welding, ensuring strength and structural integrity from tube to bottom cap to complete the base shell. Precision machining methods like milling, drilling, and grinding are used to create specific features on the shock absorber. Surface treatments like sandblasting, painting, or powder coating enhance its durability and aesthetic look. At the quality control testing area, rigorous inspections and tests confirm dimensional accuracy and material integrity. Various tests and machines, such as leakage testing, inner tube washing, and torque-controlled assembly, guarantee adherence to design specifications. The shock absorber is assembled, integrated into larger units, and subjected to oil filling, piston rod insertion, and a series of tests, including the DF test, gas charging, and final checks. The shock absorber undergoes painting to improve appearance and provide additional protection against corrosion. Lower and upper mounting parts are assembled during this stage. Each shock absorber undergoes a final quality inspection before being labeled ready for use, ensuring the Sampa power of manufacturing excellence in every detail. The finished shock absorber is then placed into a Sampa blue box and shipped over to you and your vehicle.